Evaporative cooling relies on proper water distribution in the media for effective cooling. Incorrect configurations can lead to issues and reduced efficiency and an increased potential for carryover. Here are a few scenarios and their solutions. Wrong direction. If the media is installed incorrectly, water runs towards the air outlet, resulting in inadequate cooling and excessive entrainment. To fix this, flip the media so that the water flows toward the air inlet. Omission of distribution media. Without proper distribution, water streaks through the media, reducing cooling efficiency. Overloaded sections may also increase water particles in the air. Insert distribution media to create a seal and ensure even water dispersion. Umbrella geometry. Square configurations with 90-degree angles allow water to collect, causing uneven distribution and the potential for localized pooling or flooding. Use 45-degree angle umbrellas to create a parabolic water stream and achieve even distribution. Improper header pipe orientation. When the header pipe points directly down at the media, it can lead to water particle overload and reduced efficiency. Align the holes upward at a 90-degree angle to create a parabolic water stream and even distribution. Avoiding these common configuration mistakes ensures proper water distribution in the evaporative media, resulting in optimal performance. Learn more at thecooleffect.com.